Absolutely, the most difficult thing for me in starting a business was having to learn how to do everything on my own. I've owned my small business for about 7 years now, and I've been in the industry for over a decade. And so it's safe to say that I have a pretty good idea of what is required to be successful in business. And I have to say that the number one investment that you can make into your business is meeting with the professionals who can help guide you along the way. And I'm talking about, the accountants, the attorneys, the web designers, the social media experts, the, networkers, the digital marketers, the photographers, the insurance agents, the real estate agents, the hiring experts, et cetera, right? All of these people are going to exponentially contribute to the successful outcome of your business. To being able to miss being part of that 50% statistic of businesses who fail within the first 5 years of business, of being able to be one of the small businesses who makes it to that 10-year point. Only about 20% of small businesses that start today will make it to their 10th birthday. These professionals are going to be the reason that you succeed. But I also know, as well as most people, maybe even more, that finding all of those people is, one, it's impossible to find them. It's so difficult. And two, investing in their services is so expensive. And I totally get that, especially when you're first starting your business. You're trying to be wise with your money. You're trying to make sure that you only invest in the things that you really need at this point in time. And maybe, you'll invest in other things later. But that is the reason that I have curated this event, is to help people who are wanting to start a small business, but they're wanting to be successful. They're wanting to fight that 50% failure rate, that 80% failure rate after 10 years, right? And so I have put together a team of excellent professionals for you. Again, the attorneys, the accountants, the social media people, everybody that you need to have a successful business that continues to thrive after the 5-year mark, the 10-year mark, and as far into the future as you want to go. And I've done it in such a way that it can be affordable for you, even as a brand new business owner, even as somebody who maybe doesn't even have a job outside of this. If this is what you want to be your primary job and you've already left your previous job, then even this can be affordable to you. I want this to be as affordable and accessible to everyone as possible. So you can access our program for starting at $153 a month using Affirm. So if you can't afford that upfront fee, I totally get it. If I would have seen this program when I first started, that price point might have scared me away too. But the fact that you can get it for $153 a month is huge. The value of this program alone is almost $15,000. And yeah, you're going to have to do some of the work. That's part of the process. But what's going to be great about that is all of the education and experience you're going to be getting from these professionals, from these people who have done what they're showing you how to do. They've been there, done that, and they're going to help you do it right, instead of having to go through the long process of learning, the long process of doing things wrong and having to go back and correct your mistakes. You're going to be able to skip all that. Your business is going to be protected, it's going to be planned, and you're going to know how to grow it and operate it as soon as you walk out the door after day 3. So I hope you'll consider joining us, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.